A heavy tick noise coming from the exhaust. That's going to be a broken off up in the head. So